Like any job, improving the great outdoors is a lot easier if you have the right tools to work with. Now, if you have a large piece of property like this one, then any project that you take on can be fairly large and a little overwhelming. You might consider a compact utility tractor. Now, even if you don't fancy yourself a farmer, these things can solve a lot of problems because they're so versatile and can do so many different kinds of jobs. Moving dirt is the most obvious chore that comes to mind because on a larger piece of property, that often means more than you can handle with a shovel and a wheelbarrow. A backhoe makes digging deep, narrow holes like trenches or footings a cinch, and using a box blade for occasional grooming can mean a longer life and fewer potholes for an unpaved driveway. But the front-end loader is no doubt the most popular attachment because in addition to taking the backache out of moving dirt, it also speeds up the process. By swapping the bucket for forks, you can extend that heavy lifting to other things as well. This ease of accessory changes is an important consideration. Let's face it, if it's too difficult, you just won't do it. This model from John Deere requires no tools at all to make the conversion, just 2 locking pins to secure the attachment in place. There's even a drive-over mower deck that hooks up as fast as you can park the tractor over it.